Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Srikan. So in today's video I am going to talk to you about one of the most important thing that will help you to improve your English communication skill, and many people must have used this tool in their life at least once, but very few people know how you can use this tool to improve our English communication skill, and that is what I'm going to tell you in this video. So make sure that you guys are watching this video till the end, because this is going to be very important to all of you who want to improve their communication skill and who want to become fluent in English one day. So if you want to be fluent in English very soon, then this video is for you. Don't skip this video till the end. You have to watch it. Whatever I'm going to tell you through this video, that is practical. I have used all this technique in my life to improve my English communication skill, and you can see the result. I'm not saying that I'm very perfect in English communication, but I have improved. I have seen improvement in myself since last 6-7 months. I was not whatever I am today, what I can speak in front of you. I was not these 6 months before, but today I can speak in front of you guys, and this is happening just because of I have used a lot of techniques to improve my English communication skill, and I'm going to tell you about that one particular technique which is literally helped me to get better at my communication skill. And I'm going to talk to you about the Google that everyone use in our life to improve our not only English communication skill, but to learn many things from the Google. We use it. It is a kind of helping hand for us. Whatever we need, we can go over the Google and we can ask him. We will get the answer from it. Most of the times we have used, whether you are in school, whether you are in a job, whether you are in a business, everyone use these tools to know about their field. And now what is our field? Our field is English communication. We want to get better at our communication. We want to improve our vocabulary. We want to improve our idioms. We want to get better at grammar. So all we can do with the help of Google, and which is totally free of the cost. You don't even have to pay single rupees for it. Just need a internet connection, stable internet connection, and that's it. You can learn anything that you want. And as we are using the Jio or Airtel, everyone has the 1.5 GB data. You can use some net from it to improve our English communication skill. Now let us talk about the first point. That the first thing is you can use it to improve our pronunciation. Most of the times when we try to speak in English, and if something is new to us, we don't know, or we have never spoken that word before, it becomes little bit difficult for us to pronounce that word, and sometimes we mispronounce. So what we can do, if anything comes new to you, what you have to do, you just have to ask the Google. You just have to type that word over the Google, and you just have to press the audio button. As soon you press it, you will get the audio clip with correct pronunciation. You just listen that pronunciation more time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, unless it becomes natural to you. And by this way you can use this tool to improve your pronunciation skill. For example, if you want to know how to pronounce the entrepreneur, then you can type that word over there over the Google, and you will get the pronunciation audio clip of the pronunciation. Determination, you want to know how to pronounce the determination word, you just type it over the Google and click on the audio button. You will get the pronunciation, you will get the audio clip of that word with the pronunciation, and you can listen to those pronunciation, and when you listen it, you will understand, and you can use those pronunciation in your real life conversation. So this is how you can take a help of the Google to get better at your pronunciation. Now the second thing is, which is my favorite, and I have been using it since I get to know about this particular features, that is the translation. Most of the times what happens, guys, whenever I want to communicate with the people, or I want to write something to someone over the email, most of the times I do not understand what is the exact meaning of that sentence. For example, let's say I'm watching some podcast over the YouTube, and the person said something in English, and which I literally don't understand, at all. Then what I do, I just copy that text and I paste it over the Google, when I paste it over the Google, I ask the Google to translate in my mother tongue. When I ask to translate in my mother tongue, I get to know about what is the exact meaning of that particular sentence. And when I get to know about the meaning, I can use that sentence in a better way in my communication. Because as you get to know what is the exact meaning of that sentence, it becomes easy to use to speak in English as well. And this is one of the most powerful technique, I would say, and this has literally changed my life. Most of the times it becomes difficult because I am also a learner. I am also learning this language since years, I would say. And whenever there is a difficulty for me, or sometimes I want to know what is the English sentence for the Marathi sentence. So I just type a Marathi sentence over the Google and I ask the Google to translate it into the English, and when I ask, I get the English sentence. So I can use that sentence in my conversation. I have done this many times. You can also do this. You just do it today only. You will get to know how beautiful this tool is, and it will definitely change your life. It literally helped me to build my communication skill. And let's say if you don't want to type, you can use the voice button. You just click on the voice button and you just speak that sentence. When you speak that sentence, the Google will capture your audio and it will type over there, and you will get the translation of that particular sentence in whichever language you want. I'm not saying that it is just your mother tongue. If you want it if you want that translation in the Hindi, Marathi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, or any foreign language, Germany, Japanese, anything that you want, you can translate. And this is definitely helpful, guys. Now let us move to the next part of the Google, how Google can help us to improve our vocabulary. Because if we want to speak better English, the most important thing that we should have is the vocabulary. We should have more vocabulary to speak more fluently and to get better at our communication. So how we guys can improve our vocabulary? We just have to take help of the Google, because Google has everything. Whatever you can ask to him, you will get the answer from it. Okay, so for example, you want to improve your vocabulary, you can ask the command, you can give the command to the Google that I want new 5 synonyms for the happy word. As soon you click on the search button, you will get the 5 synonyms for the happy word. So by this way you can use the Google to improve your vocabulary. And you don't just have to consume the knowledge or to know about the sentence or vocabulary. You have to use all those knowledge in your real life conversation, so that it will help you to get better at your communication skill. Now let us move to the second thing about. You can also give the command like give me the idioms, 10 idioms that I can use in my daily conversation. Or if you want to improve your grammar skill, then you can ask the Google simply how to use the could have in the sentence. Give me the 5 sentences used in different situation using could have word in the sentence. So as soon you ask the Google, you will get to know about how the could have word can be used in the different situation, and by this way you can improve your English communication skill. So Google has a powerful tool. You don't even need to spend too much money to improve your English communication skill. You just need your willpower and curiosity to know more from the Google only. You just need to give some command to the Google, and for every command you will get the answer. So you start from today to use the Google to improve your communication skill, and you will see the result very soon. It is not going to take a lot of time. Everyone has the mobile. The Google is in your mobile, and you can use this Google tool as your teacher for 24/7. So that is what actually I wanted to tell you through this video. I hope this video will definitely help you to improve your English communication skill, and you will use the Google in a better way to get better at your communication. I will see you in the next video, guys. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. And I told you in this video at the beginning to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys, because if you subscribe to my channel, it will help us to get to build it will definitely boost my confidence, and it can help me to make more videos related to the English. And if you don't like my video, then please do let me know that you don't make the videos which is helping us. So that is why we guys are not subscribing to you. And if you like my video, then please do subscribe. So I will see you in the next video guys. Till then, keep learning.